Welcome to our kitchen oasis. Today I'm going to show you how to make healthy and refreshing tuna and green bean salad. These are the main ingredients. First you slice the onion. This is the core, and you remove it so that the onion slices will separate well. You slice the onion thinly like this. You could use a slicer if you have one. Towards the end, you change the angle so it is easier to hold. You put the slices in the bowl. Next, the tomato. You cut in half and remove the core. Then cut the tomato into segments. And then into chunks like this. But you can cut however the way you like. Put the tomato chunks in the bowl. Next, the mushrooms. You remove the end of the stem of the mushrooms. Then you slice the mushrooms reasonably thinly so that the slices will be marinated well by the dressing. Put the mushroom slices in the bowl. And you add the thawed frozen green beans. If you use fresh beans, please blanch them first. Then you add a small can of tuna in oil. The oil is a part of the dressing, but you can control the amount of it if the can contains too much oil. Now you add lemon juice or vinegar of your choice and soy sauce. This will enhance the flavors so much. Then mix well. You add some salt and pepper to taste. Please taste it at this point because the canned tuna may or may not be very salty. Mix well. If it looks really dry, you may add some oil of your choice to moisten. Cover the bowl with cling wrap and put it in the fridge at least 2 to 3 hours until the onion and mushroom slices are well marinated. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.